This baler is definitely built heavier than the previous models that I've run. The pickup head, the teeth, everything is built heavy. It's a heavy machine. I'm kind of excited to see how long it lasts because I think it's built to last. My name's Steve Griffith. I've been farming since I was 13. We farm in Jefferson County, Ohio, the southwest corner. We're actually only about 15 minutes from Wheeling, West Virginia. One thing that really stood out to us was the ease of the monitor. I mean, I'm 50, so I'm not like a 20-year-old tech person, but it has been fun and easy to deal with for me. The baler handles the large wet windrows very well. The first day we tried it out, the guy that rode with me, he wanted me to speed up, so we did, and we did plug it, but it was very simple to unplug. Really been pleased with the way it eats hay. I mean, it's a machine.